Catamaran myth number 10. All catamarans sneeze and get you and your passengers soaking wet. Well, soaking wet, that's a bit of an exaggeration. Many catamarans do sneeze at slow speeds in a head sea due to fluid dynamics. When a wave comes in and blocks off the tunnel, and then another wave comes in and that air between them has to go somewhere, the avenue of least resistance is back out the opening, where this fine mist, just like a sneeze, sprays you a little bit, doesn't soak you. However, WorldCat has something called a hydropod, and that's a bump between the two hulls in that tunnel that breaks up that pressure, virtually eliminating the problem. And also remember, all other catamarans don't suffer the problem when they're at cruising speed. So, sorry, number 10's a non-issue.